How's it going, guys? ThunderBuddy01 here. Do you want to provide extra support to the ThunderBuddy01 Media Network? Do you have extra cash lying around? Become an official ThunderBuddy superfan today. For just $2.99 a month, you will get access to members-only perks, such as shoutouts, exclusive badges and emojis, priority replies to your comments, and when ThunderBuddy01 himself feels like it, early access to new videos. Do not delay, join now. You can use the link in the top of the description, or the blue join button. And as always, strike them likes, flood that subscribe button, and twist that notification bell. KXI89 be like, hey baby.
In the nick of time.
7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Saturday. What? Heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 4 to 7 inches. Winds gusting as high as 40 miles per hour. Where? Portions of northeast New Jersey and southeast New York. When? From 7 p.m. this evening to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Saturday. Travel will be very difficult. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. Check local Department of Transportation information services for the latest road conditions.
Something tells me this is going to be a doubleheader. Yep. Really unrecognized?
From 7 p.m. this evening to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Saturday. What? Heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 6 to 9 inches. Winds gusting as high as 45 miles per hour. Near blizzard conditions are possible for a period on Saturday. Where? Portions of northeast New Jersey, southern Connecticut, and southeast New York. When? From 7 p.m. this evening to 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Saturday. Impact. Travel will be very difficult. Bring down tree branches. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. Check local Department of Transportation information services for the latest road conditions.
What? Triple? What? What is this?
Saturday night. What? Heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulations of 5 to 10 inches. Winds gusting as high as 40 miles per hour, leading to blowing and drifting snow. Where? Litchfield County.
Oh.
When? From midnight tonight to midnight Eastern Standard Time Saturday night. Impact. Travel could be very difficult. Additional details. The best chance for the higher snowfall accumulation across southeastern parts of the county. If you must travel, keep an extra flashlight, food, and water in your vehicle in case of an emergency. Synopsis. A cold front.
Jeez.
Passing like.
That was like a triple freaking header. Oh my god.
Winds gusting as high as 45 miles per hour. Where? Portions of northern Connecticut and central, eastern, and western Massachusetts. When? From midnight tonight to midnight Eastern Standard Time Saturday night. Impact. Travel could be very difficult to impossible. Gusty winds could bring down tree branches.
Christ, that was the first blizzard warning I've ever received since 2018. Jesus. Where'd my phone go? That's the bigger question.
For the following areas in New York, Northwest Suffolk and Southwest Suffolk. Blizzard warning in effect from 7 p.m. this evening to 7 p.m. Saturday. What? Blizzard conditions expected. Total snow accumulations of 11 to 15 inches. Winds gusting as high as 50 miles per hour. Where? Northwest Suffolk and Southwest Suffolk counties. When? From 7 p.m. this evening to 7 p.m. Saturday. Impacts. Travel could be very difficult to impossible. The hazardous conditions could impact the evening commute. Gusty winds could bring down tree branches. Additional details. Blizzard conditions are expected Saturday morning into early Saturday afternoon. Whiteout conditions are likely at times. Travel should be restricted to emergencies only. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle. Check local Department of Transportation information services for the latest road conditions.
Okay, so I should have added this. Mount Holly posted blizzard warnings overnight, and KWO35 did not tone them once blackout hours ended. And this is the same case with the winter storm warnings that they issued overnight. I literally had to rely on WWH33 for that. And this one only went over KWO35. I don't know why, because Suffolk County is covered by literally every single freaking NOAA weather radio station that's ran by Upton. Like KHB47, WXJ42, WXM80, and KW35, obviously. This one did not trip any of the others. So watch, as I say that, I'm going to stop recording, and then, boom, blizzard warning on WXJ42 and WXM80 again.
For the following areas in New York, Northwest Suffolk and Southwest Suffolk. Blizzard warning in effect from 7 p.m. this evening to 7 p.m. Saturday. What? Blizzard conditions expected. Total snow accumulations of 11 to 15 inches. Winds gusting as high as 50 miles per hour. Where? Northwest Suffolk and Southwest Suffolk counties. When? From 7 p.m. this evening to 7 p.m. Saturday. Impacts. Travel could be very difficult to impossible. The hazardous conditions could impact the evening commute. Gusty winds could bring down tree branches. Additional details. Blizzard conditions are expected Saturday morning into early Saturday afternoon. Whiteout conditions are likely at times. Travel should be restricted to emergencies only. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle. Check local Department of Transportation information services for the latest road conditions. Here is the official National Weather Service forecast. Cloudy with a 3. Tonight, cloudy. A chance of snow in the evening, then snow likely after.
Alright, so there was WXJ42, and we just wait for WXM80. That'll take forever. What? The 262 activated?
For the following areas in New York, Northwest Suffolk and Southwest Suffolk. Blizzard warning in effect from 7 p.m. this evening to 7 p.m. Saturday. What? Blizzard conditions expected. Total snow accumulated warning in effect from 7 p.m. this evening to 7 p.m. Saturday. What? Blizzard conditions expected. Northwest total snow accumulations of 11 to 15 inches. Wind gusting as high as 50 miles per hour. emergencies only. If you must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle. Check local Department of Transportation Information Services for the latest road conditions. You're listening to Millis All Hazards Radio, station WXM 80 in Riverhead. This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service Forecast Office located on the grounds of Brookhaven National Laboratory in Upton, New York. Broadcasts on a frequency of 162.475 megahertz. Storm warning. Today, west winds 10 to 20 knots. 10 knots early, then becoming north.
Bruh. Alright, so I gotta see this. Freaking 262 activated for the first time in months, probably. Bruh.
Standard time Saturday night. What? Heavy snow expected. Total snow accumulation of 5 to 8 feet.